Christmas came early this year. I got my 7 cp12s from QSC, and this is a first impression, unboxing video. This is the package it comes in. Yeah, that's one side. It's the other side. It's well packaged. When it's open, it looks like that. And then the next step, you open the other box. It looks like that. And then I took it out of the box. It's that. And that's the speaker completely out of the box. So I tested these out at the Guitar Center, and of all the speakers I listened to, these sounded the best. This is for my home theater. Of course, each box comes with power cord. It looks fairly long, maybe 6 feet, maybe a little longer. So might be 2. Yes, no, it's 1 power cord. So I'm really happy with it. Ideally, I was going to look for some used PA speakers for my home theater, but some of them didn't sound good, and some was sounding better than others, and getting them used just took a hassle, a long time to get them. So I coughed up the cash and went ahead and get these online. They're kind of out of stock right now. Apparently there's a demand for QSC stuff, so I happened to have to order these on Amazon, and they were limited. So hopefully, if you're looking for these, so far I'm really impressed. You can ask questions in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe. Say hi. You all have a good day.